Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Shirodia Classes. Guys, I am Raj Shirodia and this video would be something very different. This is a vlog. In this video, I am going to unbox a laptop. Yes, I am going to unbox a laptop. Acer Aspire 7. Acer Aspire 7. This video is highly recommended. A lot of you might be wondering to buy this laptop. Also, my students were suggesting me to do a vlog on this. So on their request, I am doing the same. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is the packaging that we get in this box from Flipkart. Guys, now I am going to unbox this Acer Aspire 7. So guys, as you can see, we are unveiling this beast slowly and steadily. Now the packaging is gone. Let's see what's inside. So let's see what's inside. As usual, there is a box in box. Let's take out the inner box and discard the outer one. Guys, let's check this out. So guys, this is the box for Acer Aspire 7. As you can see, this is the box for Acer Aspire 7. I had been longing for this model since long. Okay, so finally, as the lockdown got relaxed a little, I finally managed to get it through Flipkart. So guys, as you can see, the price is mentioned here, 79999, but that's not the case. On Flipkart, it will cost you roughly about 54,990. That's approximately 55,000 bucks. So I got this whole thing for 55,000 bucks approx. Now let's check out the inner contents. So guys, as you can see, I have cleared off this wrapper. Let me take out another box in box from Acer. So guys, I have opened this package also. Let me check what's inside. Oh ho ho, holy moly. So guys, let us see first what are the box contents inside. This is a cable adapter which you would get with the package. This is your main power adapter, battery you can call it. Let's see, are there any other contents? Yeah, let's keep this aside first of all. So you would be getting a warranty card, as you can see, and you would be getting some quick user guide to set up the whole system yourself. Now let's remove this and bring the beast into play. So as you can see, the packaging is very good. Let's unravel this. As you can see, it's looking very gorgeous. Oh my god. Let's understand what are the specifications of this product is. It's i5 9th generation. It comes with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. It is 8 GB RAM, DDR6, and it has got 4 cores inside. You would be getting many ports. Ethernet port, USB Type-C, RJ45 cable, headphone jack 3.5 mm. Now let's lift up the lid. It can be lifted with one hand only. So as you can see, this is how the product looks like. Oh my god. So this is the keyboard. It's a backlit keyboard. That means you can even work at night. It comes with a nice mouse touchpad. It comes with an embedded fingerprint sensor. These are the specifications: i5 1650 graphics card, narrow bezels, FHD display, full HD IPS display, backlit keyboard, ultra fast HDMI port. And this is how the keyboard and mouse look like. Let's see the product. This is how the product would look like. It doesn't have anti-glare display, but surely the product is worth every penny. So guys, it has got 2 cooling fans inside it. And now let me show you the back surface of this beast. So this is the back surface, how it's looked like. It has got nice vents. It comes with rubber grip so that it doesn't slides away from your table. It has got good exhaust here. And this is all about this product. So this was a very short review. It was my first blog. So pardon me if I missed out any specifications. But all in all, I'm very much satisfied with this product. Now let me see how does it work. Once I work, I might come up with a review of this. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you all. Bye bye. Love you.